remember?
You made me put my leg on her shoulder.
Yeah, right.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
Are you doing okay? Okay guys, so everyone already failed, so I won, I'm the winner. So I'm just gonna record what we're doing at our cousin's house because this isn't our house, as you can probably tell. But so yeah, I'm just gonna record what we're doing, so let's get started. Let's go find them, they're probably upstairs, so let's go running up the stairs. I wasn't outside. So now I will teleport all the way down the stairs. Are you ready, guys? Let's get started. And now we're downstairs. We used to be all the way up there. And that is how you teleport. I'm awesome at teleporting because I know how to do it and stuff. So yeah. So guys, I don't know what else to film, so I'm just gonna end the video right here. But first, let's get my other cousins to join the video at the end. So here's them. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
And my